So we've been working very hard on this particular upgrade for a customer. This is a brand new MY25 model. It's a D350, but we've upgraded this now to a D350 with the official JLR hardware and software. We've also added our extra tuning package, different filters in here, and also a different pedal box to make it even more responsive. And we've also done the dynamic mode activation as well, which will also add another sports mode to it, where the gear change will be faster, the suspension stiffens up, it lightens the steering. So as well as that, we've done the full black pack, so front and rear bumpers from silver, obviously down the sides. We've fitted the genuine urban kit on this particular vehicle, so I'll just quickly show you what we've done on that. So I've got genuine urban bonnet vents, genuine urban side vents, the full wild track urban arch kit all the way round, obviously urban 22-inch wheels. We've got urban genuine canards, urban genuine DRLs there at the front. And I'll just go round here. Urban genuine mud flaps, urban genuine spoiler and rear cover. Then we've got our V2 rear brake light upgrade and sweeping indicators. We've upgraded the tow hooks for the customer who wanted them in purple. And we've also added the latest Quicksilver exhaust system, so this now sounds like a V8. We've also done some other interior options, which I'll just show you. So we've done purple underfloor lighting in here. We've done Alcantara center section, Alcantara gear knob, and we've also put our Alcantara full flat bottom steering wheel in here, which now just sort of lifts the interior a little bit more. We've also got put the auto watch ghost on here, so for further added security within this vehicle. And as you can see, the end result is a rather nice looking Defender hardtop. I'll just obviously LED light grille as well that we've also incorporated on here, but overall it's a very nice looking Defender now, ready for collection for the customer. So if you're wanting any genuine urban kit supplying, installing, then we can offer that service, but we can also offer a full range of other accessories for the Defenders, as well as security, as well as audio upgrades. We can do full retrofits, large screen conversions, clear sight upgrades, soft close rear door, soft close side door, you name it, we can offer it here at TTW Defender Retrofit. We do full activations as well. We're using the JLR software, so we can enable hidden features on a lot of these Defenders. We can also do the same with Range Rovers and Jaguar vehicles as well. So please get in touch if you want to come and see us, to book an appointment to do a custom review on creating your own bespoke Defender. If you give us a call on 01159 599 995, we'll be very happy to assist.